just opened it for you. What? Yeah, they told me to open up the door halfway and catch up with myself and act like I was dead. They're fucked up, aren't they? The guys that I'm playing with. I know that I was like, man, I couldn't do that to her. It'd give her a fucking heart attack. It'd be a sleep.
Resurgence. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you start running.
I like how I blamed that shit on you.
Survive.
Nothing.
Redeploy fallen teammates. And earn points to return them faster.
They can probably hear you peeing in the background. Jesus. Loud ass pee. What you doing?
Targets are up. Take them out. One of your allies is back in the game.
Is there anybody up on top?
There was. That's why I jumped off and flew this way. Luckily he didn't
There's
fall.
somebody on top.
Yeah. Small side. That's where he was.
Right there in front of you. What the fuck?
In front of me?
One down the servo.
Oh my god! Fucking bum.
Allied UAV overhead.
He's on small side, top roof.
Yeah, that's why I flew to the thing here.
He got me because I was fucking already down, man. He was just shooting me with a fucking pistol.
There's a mover
He just
here.
went in he jumped off and went into the door there.
Reinforcements are on the way.
I should have had 2 kills already, man. I played that shit right. Somebody just let somebody right in front of me just shoot the shit out of me. Like he's right in front of you, bro. Kill the bitch. There we go.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Alright, Stoner. Do what you gotta do, brother.
Reinforcements are on the
We
way.
need one of those 12 kill games for you.
There's a gold Krieg over here if you want.
Get the... Bro, he hit me once
Bounty target
with
is
his
down.
hands. And he just dropped in. I had a gun
One of your allies
on
is
his
back in the
forehead.
game.
Oh, right here. Small side. 5 pin.
There's 2 up there too. I need to climb up on one of these things so I can get some shots off.
You've got gas moving
Alright,
in.
now I'm pissed. I'm about to concentrate.
Go up.
I might go
Alright,
silent for a while. I'll mark shit, but yeah, I'll tell y'all where people are at, but I'm about to go silent for a
Reinforcements are on
second.
the way.
I'm pissed.
There's a mover here.
1 second floor. I think he might have went to small side.
We'll be in the safe zone. Come on.
One roof. Inside. Going down.
Which side? Roof?
I've got contact on the side.
Big side, small side.
Big side.
Stop moving around so fucking much.
On that raid that we won the game, we just killed the other roof.
Got
up
one
there.
down. Up top.
Contact over
I
here.
got 2 of them down. Oh, 1 down.
Look like little fucking lions.
Loadout drop on the way.
Engaging shooter.
Damn it. Second floor.
Got gas inbound.
Coming to y'all.
Safe zone
Second
relocated.
floor, big side.
It's gonna be even harder for me
Gotta
to
push
see.
over y'all. Unless you jump down.
I can't see through this smoke. So if you see him, you can use my screen because I can't see anything
Enemy
through this
UAV
smoke.
active.
I can't hear you.
One of your allies is
Got
back
him.
in the game.
Sighted
Look
on
like
target.
little lions.
One's on the roof.
Loadout
Broke.
drop
Nice to see
inbound.
that their eyes are open.
One's right here.
Shit, this dude is guarding the
There's a
fucking
mover here.
the loadout.
There's another one over here.
I've got contact over here.
Garden loadout, man. Oh, me. How am I gonna kill him?
Quiet. I'm tracking the cancel that request.
There's one
Yeah,
on
bitch.
third floor.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah. You didn't think I was gonna come from behind, did you?
into the area. Watch the skies.
Fucker. There's somebody on second floor. 2 of them on second floor.
Yeah,
Another one landed.
two second floor. I killed one. 2 second floor,
Marked
one
our
on big side.
destination.
Got another one down. How did that not kill him? Right behind me, damn. Help him out. Don't worry about me.
Throwing
Help
out a
him out.
grenade.
Kill this motherfucker.
25 left. Keep moving forward.
18
Shoot at
mine
the
has
wrong
been
fucking
activated.
person.
In the area. Watch the skies. You're losing ground. Move it.
Yo, y'all think I'm gonna be able to get my shit back?
Yeah, it's still right
One
here.
of your
loadout's
allies
back,
is back
isn't
in the
You
game.
need it.
You still got a loadout out back though, don't you?
Yeah.
Eyes on a care package.
One just hit my mine
Downstairs,
downstairs.
coming up.
Yep,
Got him.
he died.
We
That
must
was the
get
guy
to
we
the
won
frag
the
grenade out.
fucking game with the user.
Shit, I didn't have enough time to get shit.
I don't even got my load on.
Oh, there was 2
I'll
loadouts
buy
right
another
there.
one.
Yeah, I got money to buy another one. Someone's coughing down low. Was that you?
That's me, it's me. It's
Okay.
me.
You wanna go ahead and give me the money? No?
How about
Bounty target is up. Take them down.
If we get stuck over here, I have a redeploy balloon.
Burn. Very nice.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
Oh,
Very, very nice.
Field upgrade located.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I'm gonna get a
Gas is
UAV.
moving in. New safe zone
There's the
highlighted.
rest of my cash, $500.
I've located some cash.
And I don't have to
Another
hit.
loadout.
I don't have to hit
Buy
this loadout.
station
I already
costs
have
are
my restock.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm
got a
just gonna keep that
fire
loadout there.
Yeah, I'm keeping this one here. I don't have to hit it. I
Allied
got my
UAV
loadout weapons and my
overhead.
secondary
Hunt
loadout too.
them
So
down.
I'm good.
Alright, I got everything I need. I got my gas mask and shit. I'm broke now.
Oh, it was fire sale.
Unless somebody can get ammo. But other than that, I'm
There
good.
should be enough money to get
Yeah, I'll
ammo.
get one.
It's cheap. I'm dropping all my extra ammo in this room up
Alright,
here.
I'm moving. You going to decon? I'm not getting stuck here.
Stay vigilant. Insurgents'
Where's it
window
closing
is about
at?
to
Yeah, it's
close.
closing on decon. So.
Someone take this gas cancel that
Anybody
request.
want to take that other redeploy balloon? Just
Enemy
in case one of us die.
I'm gonna get it.
Arrive. Fire
Here's a
sales
UAV.
done. Prices
Requesting
are back
area
to normal.
recon.
UAV getting flyover.
People going in tunnel.
80 mine has been activated.
Gas is
Red tunnel
Coming
on
up.
chemical. Here they come, coming towards
Frag
me.
grenade out.
UAV is out
About to have a very bad day
Shooting.
walking through the store. They're in the tunnel.
Here, they'll have a really bad day here.
80 mine has been activated.
Time's up. Objective
You don't gotta
failed.
watch anymore. I got one mine there with an explosive.
Yeah, he does.
It's called strategic planning. And I got restock, so I can just put more.
Found some body armor.
I've never seen that gun on here.
Sniper rifle located.
Whose gun is that?
I just dropped it.
Oh, just down
There's a
one.
variable
Down one.
scope on it. It's not too bad. It doesn't really.
Watch for my friend.
Resurgence has been closed. You got gas inbound.
There's
Safe
one in
zone
gas. He took a
relocated.
redeploy balloon.
I've marked our destination.
Oh, restock. They opened back up again.
Someone going. AT mine has been activated.
Enemy soldier nearby.
AT mine has been activated.
Everything went
Bro,
to
straight
restock.
ahead. Gotta get over there, guys.
Frag grenade out.
Up top.
Shots over here.
Up top.
Right there.
Cancel that request. AT mine has been activated.
Oh shit. Damn, you rolled up on me like that?
Here they come.
This side of the wall.
Oh, I wouldn't go that way, buddy. We went that way, didn't we?
Shit, behind. Behind.
Throwing out the grenade.
Oh, geez, bro.
We'll just drop down.
Allied cluster strike arriving.
Redeploy below.
Yep. Let's try to stay in the air, because I got a redeploy balloon. We should go back to wherever it's bringing us.
Bobby back. Y'all right there.
Well, we got people down here.
Too late. Never mind.
AT mine has been activated. Frag grenade
Below
out.
us.
Yep.
Guy right here. Left it.
Here.
Down somebody.
AT mine has been activated.
Let's take this one to prison.
They're both on top. They're good.
Ha! Got him. I'm going straight to prison.
Quiet. There's a mover here.
Ah, you serious? Got me out of there.
You're the
I
last
had a
one.
freaking.
Survive at
I
all
don't got
costs.
stems.
He about to die, dude.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone highlighted. You've got gas moving in.
What are you doing?
No, they're doing.
Crazy motherfucker.
There's one guy left, brother. One guy left.
Oh. I'm pretty sure he just got back. No.
Nope, still one
Put
guy
some
left.
fucking plates on.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone highlighted.
No, I'm just.
Gas is moving.
We got 5 or 6 over there.
He knows I'm up here too. Oh, really? You staying in that car?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Come on, shot. Come back.
Finish
faster.
your mission. There's nowhere left to run.
Yeah, he's in the building right under you. To your left. Jump over there. Let him blow himself up.
Yep.
Right everything.
I just saw him.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
I can't. It doesn't do that.
I told you we we're gonna see who can stay alive the longest. If he has stems, he's gonna win.
Mine? Put that mine down? Good, man.
Jeez, you got lucky as fuck, man. He was one
Sliver
hit.
of health left.
Yes,
You had a
dude, you had
sliver
like 1
of
second
health
left.
Hey man.
Wow.
Hey, clutch of the century. Oh god.